how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Phantom wallet. Now, in the most cases, the Phantom wallet doesn't have the USDT. This is in my case, I have just Solana, Ethereum, Sui, and Polygon, and Bitcoin. So I suggest to convert your USDT on your OKX wallet to Solana. So how to do that? Now, first of all, open your OKX wallet, make sure to log into your wallet, and we need to convert our USDT to Solana. So how to do that? Make sure to select your USDT from here, as you can see, and after that, select your Solana from here. And after that, type how much you want to convert, and after you convert your USDT to Solana, now we will transfer our Solana to our Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Make sure to click on send. And now, as you can see, I don't have any crypto. So because I don't have any crypto, I can't be able to find it there. But I will show you how to do that in the other way. Now click on Solana and here tap on send, and they will ask you to get the address of Solana from your wallet that you will receive it. In this case, it will be Phantom. So how to get the withdrawal address on your Phantom wallet? So go and open your Phantom wallet, as you can see here, and now just tap on receive or click on receive here and select your token from here. In this case, it will be Solana. Just click on it and here just copy the withdrawal address, and now go back to OKX wallet from here, and you can paste it in the address box to be able to send your token to Phantom wallet. So this is how to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.